Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today we are going to learn that how you can create bootable USB flash drive for Windows installation and backup. As you know, it's very difficult to keep DVD disk with you for Windows installation. So today we will learn that how you can create your own bootable USB flash drive as a Windows installer. So we have three requirements. The first one, Windows setup in ISO image format. I have this one, Windows 10 setup in ISO image format. If you don't know how to create ISO image from setup, you can check my previous tutorial. I will paste the link of that tutorial in description. The next, you need Rufus tool. This one is Rufus tool 2.8 version. You can also have link of this tool in description. It's totally free of cost. You can download and use it. The third one, you need USB flash drive. I have this one, USB drive E. So first I will start Rufus as administrator. Click yes. Now this one is Rufus tool. Automatically detect my flash drive E. Then you need ISO image you can insert from here. It's on desktop, Windows 10 ISO image, select and then open. Now it is selected. Quick format also selected. It will erase all your data from USB flash drive. So if you have urgent data, you can copy it from there. I will start it. It will warn you for erasing of complete data. OK, press. Now I will also check. Now it's formatted. My drive is formatted. I will check. This is hard drive. It's formatting. Now USB drive is formatted. You can check the status from here. You have to wait until it's finished the setup. You can check the status of copying files, like copying ISO files from ISO image to USB flash drive. My system is little bit slow. It's near to complete. Now setup is completed. I will close this setup and verify. Will verify our USB flash drive. Now this is our USB drive bootable. You can check all the files are Windows setup files. You can start setup or restart, and it will also boot like Windows DVD or CD. So moreover, you can use this drive as USB drive as data carrier also. I can create like new folder. You can copy, put your data here also. So this is multi-purpose USB drive, like it's installer and also it's a data copier. Thanks guys for learning and watching. Please like our video and subscribe our channel.